Okay, I'm now going to switch gears and try to explain to you what we plan to do in this course called um, Economic Analysis for Business 2 to 5. Okay? A lot of people have essentially made this course about macroeconomics, and I do understand that because you've already studied microeconomics, there is a need for macroeconomics also. बट अगेन मैं वही वाली बात करूँगी कि आई कैन बी वेरी सेल्फिश एंड आई कैन टीच यू ऑल अबाउट द मनी मार्केट्स एंड ऑल अबाउट दैट, पर मेरा फिर वही रहेगा कि आई वॉन्ट टू मेक इट स्पेसिफिक टू समथिंग विच you are able to apply later on. Please understand that at this point I would be very strict about this, that there is a certain knowledge that you are in you are supposed to hold, and that basically that knowledge set that you hold, if you just come regularly to my lectures and if you just basically whatever word I am uttering that you do not understand, if I ever say exchange rate, you go back and you do exchange rate and you look at ManQ and you figure it out, और वहाँ कोई सवाल नहीं समझ आ रहा, then you come back to me, because the main aim of my course is going to be to get you to understand the markets. But having said that, I'm going to scale back and okay, so first of all, sorry, what is the course? The course is an understanding of markets. It is an understanding of the business cycle. It is an understanding of the variables within the business cycle. And the main reason for understanding the variables within the business cycle is so that when a shock occurs, as I've talked about a shock earlier, you are able to see कि कौन सी दवाई किस चीज़ में को दवाई देनी है, क्या मसल में इंजेक्शन लगाना है, इंट्रावीनस इंजेक्शन लगाना है, या ऊपर से बस ऑइंटमेंट लगा के काम चलेगा इस वक्त, समझ आइए. तो उससे क्या होगा कि when you understand what the cause of the shock is, you will be able to go and figure out and tweak that accordingly. One of the basic flaws in any economy is that you do not have economists that understand the business cycle well. ठीक है. एंड वॉट वी एंड अप डूइंग इज कि जैसे ही बुखार चढ़ता है हम एंटीबायोटिक देना शुरू कर देते हैं, और कभी कभी होता क्या है कि वो शॉक जो है इट इज़ एक्चुअली गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी सॉर्ट ऑफ अ टेम्पररी शॉक है वो, और उससे होगा क्या कि वो ऑलरेडी वो ऊपर जाएगा, वो नीचे आ जाएगा. आपने सिर्फ ये देखना है कि इस वक्त बुखार चढ़ा है, क्यों चढ़ा है, अच्छा इसको वैक्सीन हुई थी, सर ठीक है पैनाडोल दे दो. लेकिन अगर आप उस वक्त ही उसके लिए एक ऐसा कोर्स ऑफ मेडिकेशन स्टार्ट कर दोगे तो होगा क्या कि वो बुखार भी कम हो जाएगा, शॉक भी वापस आ जाएगा, इकोनॉमी का डिमांड शॉक वापस आ गया, आपने जो दवाई दी है उसकी वजह से और पीछे चले जाएंगे आप. अजीब एक वी यूज दिस वर्ड इन इकोनॉमिक्स कॉल्ड परवर्स. नाउ परवर्स कम्स फ्रॉम दैट वर्ड परवर्टेड, बैड. ठीक है. एंड वन ऑफ द रीजंस फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट लाइक दैट इज बिकॉज व्हाट यू वर ट्राइंग टू अचीव was maybe gain 10 pounds, and what you ended up doing is lose 15 pounds, and in the interim have also messed up your kidneys, your liver, and 2 or 3 other markets जो कि ठीक ठाक equilibrium में थी. Also understand that economists are sort of I think obsessed with the word equilibrium. I think the study of economics entirely would be equilibrium. लेकिन जब आप रियलिटी में उन इकोनॉमीज को स्टडी करते हो तो आप कहते हैं व्हाट इज एन इक्विलिब्रियम. तो अगर हम इसको बिल्कुल इंग्लिश के वर्ड में लेके आ जाए, इक्विलिब्रियम इज व्हेन मार्केट्स आर क्लियरिंग. इक्विलिब्रियम आई थिंक इक्विलिब्रियम वुड बी दैट स्टेबल प्लेस वेयर यू कुड से ओके this is fine, now we can introduce some changes. For me, I think that is the aspiration I have as far as macroeconomics is concerned. And one of the reasons for that is I recently gave an interview also about small industries, was because the macroeconomy, you cannot understand it. You don't know what's happening in it. And you can only aspire to understand certain variables in it. And if anybody is coming up and telling you that we understand macroeconomics, it's probably because they're just coming up and understanding it in the context of that textbook that I've prescribed to you. But nobody behaves as the textbook. None of us behave like a textbook. I think so there my point is going to be to get you to understand the variables that exist within the boom slump cycle. The boom slump cycle that I'm constantly talking about, the business cycle that I'm constantly talking about, has on the x-axis it has time and historical time, and on the y-axis it has GDP per capita. What is GDP and what is GDP per capita? You will find out what is the difference between GNP, GDP, what is the components of GDP, what is the components of something that we call aggregate demand, what is aggregate supply. मैं अब ये बताना शुरू हो गई हूँ कि आपने अगली क्लास से पहले क्या मुझे सबमिट करना है एक तरह का. What are the components of aggregate demand? If I tell you, one of them is consumption, investment, government spending, and if you open this economy up, we will talk about exports and imports. So the first component of aggregate demand that I am interested to teach you is something we refer to as consumption. What is consumption? What is the Keynesian version of consumption? And the rest I will teach you. ठीक है? What is APC? What is MPC? मैं ये सब कुछ पढ़ाऊंगी, लेकिन मैं इसलिए ये पहले दे रही हूँ काम करने को because I want you to have done the reading before you come to class. Now, having said that, you will need to do the reading before you come to class. The only way I can ensure that a reading has been done is if you provide to me written documentary evidence that a reading has been done. I'm going to make an assignment on Moodle, and you're going to upload this. All of this is, by the way, part of the assessment has now started. कितना परसेंटेज किधर जाएगा, क्या होगा, डोंट बॉदर योर हेड्स अबाउट इट, जस्ट डू द वर्क. एंड इसमें कोई मार्जिन नहीं है कि अच्छा ये असाइनमेंट नहीं की तो इतने ग्रेड कम हो गई, ये हो गया. उसका सिंपल रीज़न ये है कि हर चीज़ एक जेंगा खेलते हैं ना हम, हर चीज़ जो है उसके ऊपर बिल्ट अप ऑन है. अगर नीचे की बेस ही ठीक नहीं होगी तो ऊपर से सब कुछ गिर जाएगा. हाउस ऑफ कार्ड्स विल कोलैप्स. एंड माई whole model of teaching is based on the fact, and that is why it's very difficult to cheat this system, is based on the fact that if you miss out on the first two pieces of works that you need to submit, then you will not be able to submit to me a quality assignment that we do maybe towards the latter half of the semester. So please understand that we have now officially taken a dive into the semester. Okay? Thank you so much. And I had a wonderful time teaching you today. There was a lot of content. If you could compartmentalize it, maybe make a list of it. I'm going to maybe request one of you who's more who will compile a list of all the concepts and put them in the WhatsApp group so that all of you have access to all of the content that I talked about in terms of the definitions and all of that. Don't put the definitions in there, just put the terminology in there. And I hope all of you have started on a designated notebook for my course. I want it to be in a notebook. That will be your submission for the course to me. तो वो नोटबुक जो है वो मेरे लिए होगी, उस पर अच्छा सा पेपर हो, उस पर लिखने में मज़ा आ रहा हो, ठीक है, और बस उसमें स्टार्ट वर्किंग. टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्व्स.